Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable AirDrop and pick the visibility setting that fits the recipient. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, and stay within about 30 feet so the devices can detect each other. Now open Photos and select the pictures you want to send, tap Select, then choose single or multiple images. Once done, tap the share icon. AirDrop will appear among the share options. You're ready for the next step, where you actually choose the recipient and send. After tapping Share, AirDrop will show nearby devices. Wait a moment if it doesn't appear immediately. Tap the recipient's device name or profile picture to start. You'll see a progress circle on your screen and on theirs. If you send multiple images, they transfer sequentially, so be patient for large libraries. Make sure the recipient accepts the transfer. If they decline, resend or confirm their AirDrop visibility. Once progress completes, the photos are delivered to the recipient's Photos app. To finish, confirm the images landed in the recipient's Photos app under Recents or the appropriate album. If something goes wrong, first toggle AirDrop off and on, then cycle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sometimes a quick restart clears lingering discoverability problems. If you use contacts only and the sender isn't in contacts, switch to everyone momentarily or add each other to contacts, then retry. As a last step, ensure both devices run up-to-date OS versions because compatibility can affect transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.